My name's Hayden Mooney, and this is the day in the life of an RO operations intern. I'm located at the Waco High School project, and I usually arrive to site about 6:45 in the morning. After unpacking all my things, I put on my PPE and decide to head out to walk the site. This is the auditorium in the school, along with the main entrance of the school. After doing some stuff in the field, I head back to get some lunch and work on some observations and send emails. After lunch, I do some QC and wall of blocking, and I'm just dropping tape to make sure that the measurements are correct. Later, I meet up with my mentor, Bill, and right here, he's just showing me how we plan to tie in this chase into the CMU wall. After that, I head back to the office about 5, where I pack up my things and head home for the rest of the day.